let's say you want to do this for the week. So you know, you go into week view and you go to print. It'll give you a first and last day. If you want to change it, you can, but it uses whatever view you're on to pre-fill those. And then when you go to print this, then it grabs everything in that date range then and puts it to a PDF that can be printed. You know, if you've got lots of things, it'll take longer to print off. But if it's completed, then it's got the little diagonal lines. If it's not completed, then it'll be solid. So you can see I've been playing with repeats and stuff and in here, but you know, this way, and then every day that has things is broken up by date as well. So that's
cool.
That's a huge piece. Don Pelletier, who's one of the users in San Diego, doing like a screenshot of it and pasting it on paper. He uses this every day. And it's just like, Don, I can make that so much easier for you. Just, you know, so, not having to deal with that.